When preparing to use a waterborne coating system, especially if switching to a waterborne system for the first time, the following should be considered. Waterborne coatings must be stored in a warm area. They must be kept from freezing. If they freeze, they are ruined and should not be used. Stainless steel or non-corrosive equipment must be used. This prevents rust and discoloration of the material. Stainless steel pump, fittings, and gun are required. If delivered to the spray booth from a remote location, stainless steel lines are needed. Plastic liners can be used in pressure pots. When switching to a waterborne system for the first time, all existing equipment and fluid lines must be thoroughly cleaned with solvent, then water. Also, you should not switch back and forth between a solvent system and a waterborne system. Dedicated application equipment should be used for each system. Conventional air spray guns work the best for waterborne products, but some customers have had success with HVLP guns. Grain raising and dry times have always been a major concern in using waterborne products. These can be managed with proper process controls. Consistent application practices, such as controlling wet mills applied, are very important to the drying process as well as overall appearance. Each coat applied must be thoroughly dried. High velocity, warm, dry air is best. Also, controlling shop humidity is a good practice. Waterborne systems can provide a wide range of benefits, but good process control is important.